seen? Whoa! Shit. Yes, good lad. You would get something today. Yeah. £1, 8.2 today. Little bit under for him, for what I would like, but it's very keen. I knew he'd get something today. Started off with a vole, and 15 minutes later, he managed to get a nice big rabbit. So yeah, nice big full crop now. Nice and full. So I won't hear anything from Max for about 2 days, and then back out again. Very good. Nice and chilled. You alright, Max?